How y'all doing, Kelowna? This is Cole from Kelowna Chevrolet. Behind me I have a fully loaded 2019 GMC 1500 Denali. Let's go take a look. Underneath the hood you do have a 6.2 liter V8 bringing you 420 horsepower. And you have these real nice 22-inch silver alloy wheels. Coming to the back you have the tonneau cover up top. Down to the bottom you do have the side steps in the bumper along with the dual stainless steel exhaust. Back you have two buttons, one up top, one on the bottom. The one on the bottom opens the soft opening tailgate to the short box, and then the one on the top drops it in to the step. Let's push that down, and then you have a step into the back of the box. Coming into the interior now, you open the door, the side step automatically comes out for you. And then you do have your door controls here. You have a Bose audio system, seat memory. Coming in here, you do have the automatic four-wheel drive right here, which is nice. And you have your lighting and you have your emergency brake down below here. You do have real nice leather seats with the Denali embroidering up top. These are heated and cooled. You got power. Inside the truck we do have our steering wheel controls. Heated steering wheel. You have your controls up to the gauge cluster up top here. It is reading 72,650 kilometers. Now just over and behind here you do have your heads-up display controls here. And you do have a sunroof inside the truck. And here is your controls for the sunroof. You do have the universal garage door opener here as well. Rear view digital mirror. You have a little storage cubby up top on the dash. Infotainment screen. Volume, and then you have your dual zone climate control along with your heated seats. You have all your lane keep, your automatic stop start, and then down below here you have your trailer brake, USB in ports, cigarette lighter, and you also have the 12-volt plug-in here. Into the center console we do have a wireless charger, a little storage miscellaneous bin, cup holders. Inside the center console you do have quite a bit of room. You do have a locking part in the console as well. And into the back seat, these guys are heated as well. You do have additional storage in the back, cup holders in the middle. Put the seat up, and you do have that pass through if you need a little bit of extra space as well. If you're interested in this 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali, feel free to stop by or give us a call if you want to know more information. We're open 9 to 6 Monday to Saturday. Thank you guys for watching and have a great rest of your day. Bye for now.